What is the difference between MBPs and MBPs?
Hello everyone. Welcome to today's video where we are going to break down a commonly confusing topic in the world of digital communication, the difference between MBPs and MBPs. These terms are commonly seen in discussions about internet speeds, data transfer rates, and more. Understanding this difference is crucial when making decisions like choosing an internet service provider or when comparing the speed of different storage devices. Remember, the difference between MBPs and MBPs can significantly impact the real-world speeds you experience.
What does MBPs mean?
Firstly, let's understand what MBPs means. MBPs stands for megabits per second. The term is most commonly used in the context of data transmission and download speeds on the internet. For example, if an internet service provider advertises a speed of 100 megabits per second, they're telling you the rate at which data can be downloaded or uploaded from your device over their network, measured in megabits per second. Note that the B in MBPs is small, which stands for bits.
What does MBPs mean?
Next, let's take a look at MBPs. MBPs stands for megabytes per second. This term is most commonly used when discussing data transfer rates on local systems, like transferring data between different parts of a computer, or between a computer and a connected device like a USB stick. In this context, MBPs measures the rate at which data can be moved from one place to another. Here, the B in MBPs is capitalized, which stands for bytes.
So, what's the difference?
So, the key difference between these two terms lies in that tiny change of case in the B. In digital terms, a byte is much larger than a bit. Specifically, 1 byte equals 8 bits. So, when you're comparing MBPs, megabits per second, and MBPs, megabytes per second, remember that 1 MBPs is 8 times larger than 1 megabit per second. So, a download speed of 8 megabits per second translates to 1 MBPs. This is vital to understand, because a larger number of MBPs might seem faster, but it's not necessarily faster than a smaller number of MBPs. In conclusion, MBPs and MBPs, while they might seem similar at first glance, are quite different in practice. They measure the same thing, the rate of data transfer, but they do so on very different scales. The difference between them can have a significant impact on your experience of internet speeds and data transfer rates. Always remember, a byte is bigger than a bit, and therefore MBPs is faster than MBPs. We hope this video clarified the difference between these two terms for you. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.